Finally, just got on my hands these two Prime Monkey fragrances, the Cosmic and the Icarus Wings. So pag-usapan natin ang box, yung hindi OA yung box, you'll get this premium feels. Look at the design. At grabe may holographic sticker sila. So unahin na natin tong Icarus Wings. Look at the bottle, grabe. Look at this design. At this price range, ang ganda nung picture. Magnetic cap na din siya at pressurized ang kanyang atomizer. Fucking damn it. So first impression lang tayo muna. This one, the Icarus Wings, inspired by Victor CDT. You'll get this fresh, sweet, poggy boy energy. It opens up with bright and clean feels. As it dry down, it becomes slightly sweet and masculine. Very fresh, very aquatic scent. So this is the type of scent that you'll get compliments in the heat. Daily wear, yes. Crowd pleaser, 100%. So now, the Cosmic. Grabe talaga yung bote nito, guys. Look at that design. It's very satisfying. So this one is inspired by Parfums de Marly Altair. This one is warm, creamy, gourmand, and smooth. Think vanilla, warm spices, and cozy sweetness. Feels more premium, more date night, and this one is kinda low-key addictive. Love the DNA. Pag ito talaga yung ginamit mo sa first date nyo, this one will literally get you on a second date. Makaka-receive ko ng chat like, "Hi, asan ka? Kape tayo. Umuwi ka na dito." So yeah, these are my first impressions. For the price, this is actually crazy mga pare. But I think the Cosmic one might be a sleeper hit here. So ayan guys, may tanong lang siguro ako, be honest. Pang daily wear ba kayo or pang date nights? Comment daily or date down below. So ayun, maraming salamat sa panonood. Ako nga pala si Only Frags. Peace out.